You can also do quick layout, and as you can see, similar sort of thing, so you can just mouse over and find what you like. Change colours. Now this first row is selected, so it's taken these first three. You see dark blue, orange and grey, which is what Excel considers is the most popular combination of colours. It's called Colourful Palette 1, or you can click Colourful Palette 2, which is a bit more boring, or that one, which is a bit too garish, that one, and these are all monochromatic ones. The problem with the monochromatic is it just makes it harder to really tell the things apart because they're all quite similar. So I would normally use the colourful ones actually. Now you see here, I don't like the way these bars are overlapping, so let's just change the style back to what we had at first. There we go. I think that's most useful. Switch row column. Use at your peril. Okay, so what that has done is, so at the bottom at the moment we've got Jan, February, March, we've got the months. Here what we've got now is we've got all the London ones together, all the New York and Los Angeles. Now this would be quite useful to actually do it both ways, so you can see, oh, what's going on with London? Why is that so small in that month? So it really highlights that. And with this one you probably wouldn't need a different colour for each month because it's obvious which month it is by its position, so you would change colour for that. So what you would do is, if you select the graph, do home, copy, let's do it on another page, paste. Okay, so what I would do is I'll have one graph. I don't like these data labels. Okay, so let's format this. Take out the numbers, the data labels. So you see it only took it off one series because only one was selected, but now I've selected the whole table and I click data labels, all those numbers have disappeared. I also don't think this adds much at the bottom, it just really clutters it up. So I would take out the data table. There we go. And I would also change the colour. So click on chart design, change colours. We don't need this as colourful because we can have this as monochromatic. There. I think that is a very useful graph if it's that shape. And on this one, let's go back to how it was, which is we clicked on switch row and column, and I think that is very useful. So I think if I was producing these for the board of directors or my boss or whoever, or even just for my own benefit, I would do two different graphs because they both bring out different points. This brings out, well, London's really bad that month, whereas it's not so obvious here, and this brings out the relative things between each branch every single month.